CNN. Lawyers for New York Attorney General's office have claimed that Donald Trump inflated his net worth to $2.2 billion a year as part of a civil lawsuit against the former president, his adult sons and Trump Organization. Over a 10-year period, the Attorney General said that when Trump's financial statements were corrected for allegations of misvaluation, Mr. Trump's net worth would decline by between 1,739% each year, or $812 million to $2.2 billion, depending on the situation, per year. The state said $2.2 billion of inequality occurred in 2014. The new allegations were made in a partial summary resolution motion made public Wednesday by Democratic New York Attorney General Letitia James. Video ad feedback video of Trump's testimony released in New York AG's civil investigation 0256. Source: CNN. Despite defendants' swarm of 13 experts, this is ultimately a document case, and the documents leave no doubt that Mr. Trump's SFCs do not even remotely reflect estimated current value of his assets. They would trade among well-informed market participants. Mr. Trump's net worth in any year between 2011-2021 will be no more than $2.6 billion, rather than $6.1 billion of stated net worth, and would likely be much more if his properties were truly valued through comprehensive professional assessments, said the Attorney General's office. Valuation accounting experts would be less. James' office is asking the judge to establish that Trump others made false or misleading financial statements between 2011-2021 benefited from inflating their assets by obtaining favorable credit terms insurance rates. The judge is not expected to rule on the claims until just before the hearing. Trump says financial statements are not misleading. Trump's lawyers argued in a court filing judge should dismiss the Attorney General's case because neither party was harmed, stating that Trump Organization's financial statements were not misleading and it had not missed any loan payments. These financial statements were certainly not misleading. As such, defendants have the right to take summary judgment as a matter of law, Trump's lawyers wrote. Reveals that he has not defaulted on a loan or even been late in paying off a loan. Trump's lawyers argued that he had no intention of deing creditors or insurers, and the statements included caveats explaining that they were not audited and deviated from generally accepted accounting principles. In support their arguments, Trump's lawyers point to testimony Rosemary Vrablic, former head private wealth management at Deutsche Bank, which has lent hundreds millions dollars to Trump Organization over years. Vrablic said in his statement that Trump within his knowledge had not made any materially misleading statements to the lender. The bank earned over $75 million in interest on loans, according to Trump's application. Another lender, Ladder Capital, earned $40 million in interest. The filing said. David Miller, A4.